you have come to know that the girl had got the cat, and then she snatched up the cat and she just started walking. Okay, so what happened when she got back the cat? She just thanked the sentry, and she looked at him very wildly, but she did not move. She stood at him still, her lips parted, means her lips were separated from each other. She did not move. She was standing still. Her eyes were enormous, means her eyes were very big and shy and very, and she was very tired. When she looked at him like that, he felt how alien he was in this place. So when the girl looked at him in a kind of a weird look, means a something unnatural look, he could understand that how a foreigner he had been in that place. And even her thanks could not compensate her for her quite patient hatred of her people. Now the girl thanked her, though the girl thanked her, but it was not in place of the quiet and patient hatred of her people. How the people used to hate him could not compliment her thanks. It could not be complimented by her thanks, means the thanks which she gave was nothing in comparison to the hatred of her people for the soldier, sentry and the authority. So, and then they both heard the sudden light impact of feet. Now suddenly they heard what? Light impact of feet. Means suddenly they could hear that suddenly they could hear that someone had come down. There was a light sound of the feet, and as though someone had dropped from the high wall. Someone had come down from the high wall. The sentry spun round and went up the cellar steps 3 at a time, just in time to see the figure of a boy disentangle himself from the severed ropes of the flagstaff and run head down from the gate. So the sentry just turned round and he just covered 3 steps and went upside, then he just came out of the cellar, and he could hear what? He could hear that a boy was just coming out or disentangling itself from the cut ropes of the flagstaff, and he was running towards the gate, putting his head down. So the boy went up to the on the top of the town hall to cut the ropes of the flag, to cut the ropes of the flag. Now he would have kept silence if he had not lost his mind. So he could have kept silence if he had not lost his mind. But the shout of rage and alarm was out of him before he knew it. And after that, there was no hope of keeping it all quiet and pretending that no one had got past him during the night. Now he thought that he would have nicely covered up the whole incident, and he would have hidden it from the authority. But what happened? Suddenly he shouted in such a manner that he lost his head and shouted in such a manner that he was so afraid that before he knew it, there was no hope of keeping it all quiet and safe. Now pretending that no one had got past him during the night, and he could not pretend that no one had got past him during that point of night. Now he could not hide the whole incident because of his shout. He shouted, he created a chaos, and there was alarm, and emergency alarm was also there, and as a result everyone got conscious and he was caught, and it was his irresponsibility that he had ignored his duty. He could have kept it a secret, but he could not do that. The only chance he had was to get at least one prisoner to show for it. So he had only one chance to show for it, that is that he wanted to catch the boy. So one prisoner would be there, he would wanted to catch the boy. Now he hurtled after the racing boy. So he was running in such a manner, in a rather uncomfortable manner. He was following, and he was running, falling, running, and he was running. And he was about to catch the boy. And in his movement, he just brought his he just brought his spray gun from his shoulder in flight. So he had taken it down and to bring it to bear on the fugitive. He wanted to spray the gun, means the spray gun means he was carrying it on his shoulder. It was filled with colored with color, so that at the time of running, the fugitive could be marked. Okay, so he wanted to bring it to bear on the fugitive. He wanted to color the fugitive. He heard the girl scream and was startled because the sound came only from a yard or two behind him. When she saw him, he checked for an instant to ready the gun. She ran past him and flung the cat, sprawling and clawing in his face. He threw up his left arm to cover his eyes and served aside, and as firing the gun blindly. Now what happened? He heard the girl scream. He heard the girl shouting loudly, and then he was very startled, means he's surprised, because the sound came only a yard from two behind him. When she saw him check for an instant to ready the gun, when the girl saw that the sentry was becoming ready to check the gun, and then she would shoot, he would spray the color on the boy to mark him as the fugitive, or to mark him as the runaway prisoner. The girl did what? The girl just ran past him. So when the sentry stopped in between to check his spray gun, the girl ran past him, and he did what? And she did what? She just threw the cat sprawling. When the cat was there, she threw the cat at the sentry, and the cat started scratching his face. He threw up his left arm to cover his eyes and swerved aside, firing the gun blindly. So the sentry turned round. By his left arm, he covered his eyes. He tried to save his face from the scratching claws of the cat, because the cat was thrown by the girl at his face, and the cat really did not belong to her. She also befooled the sentry. And what happened? The sentry fired the gun blindly, means without any aim. He just fired. The spray spattered darkly over her cheek and her sprayed hands, but she had gained the few years she needed for herself and her partner, and she flew through the gate. Now what happened? The spray means the spray spattered, means the spray fall. So the spray had fallen on the over the cheek and the sprayed hands of the girl. So it had created a mark, it had created a spot on the girl, and as a result, in this confusion, what happened? She successfully managed to create a distance between the sentry and her partner and herself. As a result, she needed that kind of distance, so she got the advantage and she ran away through the gate. So the girl escaped from the spot.